The name of the village is Chandelao, and this place is called Chandelao Garh, which means the castle in Chandelao. This is an old family property which belongs to my ancestors, and I've inherited it. In 2007, we had the Sunder Rang art and craft project, and there were women working with textile, doing embroidery and tailoring. From there, it became from 5 women initially to its 35 women. We are in fact probably the first hotel to run on solar power. So except for our air conditioning, our lighting, fans and lights and fridge and all are on solar power. And it is off grid. They should see Chandelao, meet the people, see the people, the simple lives what the people lead here. I have a very old connection with the village. It's a family connection, a historical connection if I may say so. And people still give me a lot of regard, and I'm thankful to that.